The long-anticipated defense in the fight against COVID-19 could be here before Christmas. But Brittany Clemens shows us how our country faces a challenge that could move us in the wrong direction.
A survey from Pew Research Center shows Black Americans' distrust with the government is forcing many to say they will not be taking the COVID-19 vaccine once one becomes available. Health experts say if not enough Americans get vaccinated, then months-long efforts to stop the pandemic would be wasted. We are starting to see some light at the end of the tunnel. COVID-19 began sweeping across the nation in March, but now a vaccine will begin being distributed in a matter of weeks.
This will not be a quick process. With the two-dose timeline, no single person will be fully vaccinated even by Christmas, and it will likely be months before people with low risk factors for COVID-19 see their first dose.
But even after vaccinating healthcare workers and people at long-term care facilities first, Michelle Sanders with Heartland Health Services say the biggest barrier health professionals will have to face is vaccine resistance. A survey released by the Pew Research Center shows people of color are less likely to get the vaccine. This survey shows only 32% of Black people and 56% of Hispanics plan to get vaccinated.
We've been told for many years, especially people in the Black and brown communities, that don't take anything that they give you. You know, it could be a conspiracy. It could be because they don't want you to really get well. They just want to use you as a guinea pig.
Sanders says many Black people reference the government-backed Tuskegee syphilis study, in which nearly 400 Black men with syphilis were told they were getting treated for bad blood, but were instead denied proper treatment so doctors from the U.S. Public Health Service could track the disease's full progression.
We lack education and awareness, all because of what happened years ago. And historically, that has affected the health outcomes of people of color in our communities.
WMBD asked viewers on social media if they would get vaccinated. On Facebook, some responses read in part, "I'll take a day of feeling bad if it means I can get back out into the real world." Stefan Hamilton says he believes the vaccine was rushed.
Am I going to be taking the vaccine? No. With the vaccine, it's too early. We really don't know too much about coronavirus still. The Black community isn't one of those people who really dive into vaccines anyways. The flu vaccine is still scary in our community.
Sanders says if the government doesn't provide more education and data about the vaccine, then resources, time, and money could be wasted if people do not line up to be inoculated. Reporting in Peoria, I'm Brittany Clemens.